Hello friends! How are you? How you enjoy your everyday afternoon? Today, I will show you some of my activity at afternoon. Let's start! I have completed my homework. Now it is afternoon. It is time for playing. I won't go outside for watering my garden. Gardening is my hobby. I love gardening. Then I will go for cycling. Now I am planting a tree. We all should plant more trees. Trees give us oxygen, fruits, woods, and trees are beautiful. You all plant trees at your home garden. Now I am going to playground by cycling to play with my friends. I ride bicycle very carefully. Please do not ride bicycle up the main road. We should ride bicycle through safe zone. Riding bicycle is a good exercise. Hurry! Now I am playing with my friends. Now it's time to go back home. Goodbye friends. See you tomorrow.